Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update for December 16 to 31, 2025. So this is a general reading. Pwede kayong makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. And paalala lang, hindi po ako sa inyo magme-message o kaya magpo-follow para mag-offer ng services. Okay? Kasi meron mga nagre-re-upload ng videos ko, nagpapanggap na Mr. Queen PH at magme-message yan sa inyo, mag-offer ng kung ano-ano. Hindi po ako yun, ha. Kung gusto nyo po ng private reading, meron tayong link sa description o kaya sa comment section. Okay? Ayan, kasi baka ma-scam kayo. Maraming nang sa scam. Okay, nagpe-pretend na sila yung tarot reader na yun. Oo, so maging maingat, mapanuri. Okay. Let's begin. Cancer, ano yung energies for you? Second half ng December. Okay. Ooh, wow! Fortune. Good fortune. O, maaring maganda yung daloy ng kaperahan ninyo or meron kayong mahanap na magandang opportunity ngayong second half ng December na kung saan mas kikita kayo ng maraming pera. O, 'di ba? Or pwede rin yung skills ninyo, marirealize nyo na yung skills nyo pwede nyong gamitin para kayo ay kumita ng pera, i-monetize ninyo. You have rebirth. So this is transformation, this is a brand new you. Yung iba sa inyo, mas magiging, parang ano to level up. Oo, magkakaroon kayo ng upgrade. I-upgrade nyo yung sarili nyo. Pwede rin i-upgrade nyo yung career nyo, business ninyo, or yung inyong mga pangarap, no? Parang magle-level up kayo na okay, na-achieve niyo na yung mga goals niyo and now you want to set new goals. It's a brand new you, Cancer. Tingnan pa natin. Transformation rin kasi to. So, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong mga binago sa sarili ninyo kasi nagkaroon kayo ng awareness na ito yung mga bagay na hindi nakakabuti sa inyo. So, you are letting go of that. And, having this new energy coming in sa inyo. Oh, you have the strength, lakas. Lakas ng pangangatawan. This can also mean yung pwedeng good health din ito for you. And then also confidence sa iyong sarili. Ayan. Parang sinasabi rito na meron kang bagong buhay. For Cancerians, you have a new life. Okay, let's see what else. For Cancer, second half ng December, you have the Knave of Swords. This is curiosity, learning. So, pwedeng meron kang pinag-aaralan ngayon, may interest ka ngayon to master a craft or master a skill. You have the Ace of Wands. This is a new, exciting opportunity na nag-open sa'yo. This can be related sa business mo or career or passion, like a passion project. You have the Hanged Man. So, ito yung pagbabago ng pananaw mo sa buhay. Yung iba sa inyo, mas nagiging, parang mas nagmamature ka, no? Dahil marami ka nang na-experience na challenges and now you really want to be that person na gusto mong maging. Oh, 'di ba? Meron pa ritong the Empress, the High Priestess, the Hierophant. Oh, ang dami yung cards na lumabas, the Two of Coins. So, very powerful ang energy ninyo ngayong second half ng December. The Empress is about abundance, opportunities, creativity, focusing on your feminine energy, mas nagiging nurturing, no? Maalaga sa sarili. The High Priestess is also your knowledge. Yung iba sa inyo, marami kayong mga natutunan in the past through your experiences. And some of you, you are accomplishing things in silence. So, kumbaga, hindi na kayo yung tipong nag-e-explain pa sa iba kung ano yung mga na-achieve ninyo. You're just showing your achievements to others na hindi mo na kailangang sabihin kasi nakikita na nila. You have the Hierophant. So, merong energy dito ng pagiging teacher, trainer, someone who is sharing ng knowledge and skills nila. You have the Two of Coins. This is pagiging busy. Marami kang pagkakaabalahan ngayong second half ng December. Lalo na sa work or may pagsasabay-sabayin kang oportunidad. Okay, let's see what else. Yung iba sa inyo, no, pwedeng meron kayong plans of getting married, settling down, pag-aasawa. Tignan natin sa akaperahan ninyo. Money, career, finances. You have the Six of Pentacles. So, this is balance in your finances. So, maaring, hindi nyo kailangan problemahin ang kaperahan ninyo kasi lahat ng needs ninyo provided sa inyo at meron pa kayong sobra para makatulong sa iba. You have the Page of Pentacles. So, some of you meron talaga kayong inaalam, pinag-aaralan na bagong mapagkakakitaan. Can be any type of mga job opportunities or work from home opportunities na pwedeng nagkakaroon ka ng sarili mong research, no? Yung iba naman nag-e-enroll talaga to learn about something like meron ka talagang mentor. Oh, the Star. The Star is your wish fulfillment. Wow. So, meron kang wish na ma-fulfill pagdating sa career, sa trabaho mo. Meron ditong happiness and contentment eh. So, yung iba sa inyo, masaya naman kayo sa situation nyo, sa finances nyo, sa career nyo. But it doesn't mean na hindi ka na mangangarap, no? Ipagpapatuloy mo pa rin kasi mas ginaganahan ka ngayon na mas mangarap. Educator o teacher, trainer energy. Sabi rito, your expertise and skills are shared with others. So, i-develop mo yung ibang tao dahil alam mo na ikaw ay magaling ka na. Meron ka ng expertise. Some of you will also enjoy yung relaxation sa work. Yung iba magli-leave. Yung iba meron ditong opportunity to work from home or mas maging flexible yung iyong schedule sa trabaho. Okay? Let's see sa love life naman. Love life, you have the King of Cups. Water sign, energy, that is also your energy. You have the Strength card. So, if you are in a relationship right now, I see good energy sa inyong connection. Merong pagmamahal, merong kumbaga mas pinapatatag yung connection mo with your person. You have the Ten of Swords. This is about releasing anything that is no longer serving you. So, pwedeng ito ay yung mga naging issues mo with your person, nililet go mo na, lalo na kung kayo ay laging nagkakaproblema ng mga nakaraan. I feel like meron kayong naging kasunduan dito na aayusin nyo yung relationship ninyo, para sa future ninyo. If you are single, there's a possibility na merong magkaroon ng interest sa inyo, but I feel like hindi ka pa ready for a commitment at this time. Oo. Kasi syempre, may iba kayong focus. Pwedeng focus kayo sa sarili ninyo, sa career ninyo, sa mga pangarap ninyo. Setting proper expectations, importante sa relationship. Okay? Kasi 'di ba, maganda rin na alam ng person mo yung ine-expect mo kung paano siya magpe-perform sa relationship ninyo. 'Di ba? Knowing what you want will lead you to the right person. Sabi rito, release control and let things unfold naturally. Ayan. So, ito yung nililet go mo na anything that is no longer serving your relationship. So, pwedeng meron kayong agreement ng person mo na, dapat ganito, magkakasundo, wag na mag-aaway, o kaya sabihin kung ano yung gusto. 'Di ba? So, importante rin talaga communication at setting proper expectations pagdating sa relationship. Nurture, allow any anxieties and worries to be gently released and offered up to be healed. Ayan. Labo na talaga ang mata natin. Ayan. So, this is a nurturing energy. That makes sense kasi mga Cancerians, very nurturing yan, no? Oh, so ngayon, yung mga, I think ito ata yung nire-release mo rin, no? Yung mga anxiety na yan. Nire-release mo yan, anxieties and worries, especially in your relationships and your connections. Kasi minsan na ino-overthink natin, hindi naman talaga siya problema, 'di ba? So, you're releasing them at ino-offer mo rin para ma-heal, 'di ba? Ma-heal kung ano man yung mga naging emotional issues and problems mo with your relationships and your connections. So, that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. See you again.